Eat these foods for better vaginal health and natural tips every woman should know. Are you dealing with frequent infections, dryness, or unusual odor? What if I told you that the solution might already be in your kitchen? Today, we are talking about powerful foods that support vaginal health naturally and the ones you should avoid. 1. Why vaginal health matters. Your vaginal health is a key part of your overall well-being. A healthy vagina maintains a balanced pH and good bacteria, which helps prevent infections, irritation, and discomfort. But poor diet, stress, and lifestyle habits can throw everything off balance. 2. Best foods for vaginal health. 1. Yogurt probiotic power. Yogurt contains good bacteria that help maintain a healthy vaginal environment. It can reduce the risk of yeast infections and keep things balanced. Go for plain, unsweetened yogurt for best results. 2. Pineapple and citrus fruits. These fruits are rich in vitamin C, which boosts immunity and helps fight infections. They may also help improve natural scent and freshness. 3. Garlic. Garlic has strong antifungal and antibacterial properties. It helps your body fight off infections naturally. 4. Leafy greens. Spinach, kale, and other greens are packed with nutrients that improve blood flow and overall reproductive health. 5. Avocados. Avocados are rich in healthy fats and vitamin E, which help with natural lubrication and prevent dryness. 6. Water. Simple but powerful. Drinking enough water helps flush out toxins and keeps your body, including your vaginal area, hydrated and healthy. 7. Sweet potatoes. High in beta-carotene and vitamin A, these support hormone balance and healthy tissue. Here are foods to avoid. 3. Foods to avoid. Too much sugar feeds bad bacteria and yeast. Processed foods disrupt hormone balance. Excess alcohol can cause dryness and imbalance. Your diet directly affects your vaginal health, so choose wisely. 4. Extra tips. Wear breathable cotton underwear. Avoid harsh soaps or scented products. Practice good hygiene. Manage stress levels. Taking care of your vaginal health doesn't have to be complicated. It starts with what you eat. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural health tips. And tell me in the comments which of these foods do you eat the most. Thanks for watching.